Good evening. Today is March the 8th, 2023. I've been meditating quite a bit recently in the afternoon, going to the park and when the sunlight was still in the sky. And I have, in my heart, have been thinking about a very important topic I want to share with everyone. You see, I constantly reflect upon my journey in the human world. And I feel that there are a lot of people, wonderful people in the world right now. They, at this point, can do something so great for mankind. But they're not doing it. They have the resource, they have the insight, they have the wisdom, and they also have the power to change this world from a dark place to a very beautiful, bright place. But these people are not doing it. And I want to wake them up. I want to invite them to team up with me and to team up with many other people. Mr. Shim, you know, we are doing the Sacred Virtual Institute. We got the nonprofit organization already registered in New York State. My vision is that this nonprofit organization is going to, play a key role in restore morality into the chaotic human world. That's why our mission is to shine light into the dark human society and to bring order into the chaotic human society and to eradicate evil thoughts from people's mind, which was a deep wish of the great moral teacher, Mr. Yue Gen. And that's your great teacher, and you've been benefiting from his teachings throughout these years. And I see that, from your journey, I believe that if the human world people can practice morality every day and center their life upon working on their heart, just a very simple living, they actually are protected by our Creator and blessed by our Creator and ultimately can receive salvation. So this is something that is deeply in my heart that I want to, through our daily moral lecture, to help people to be awakened. But in my heart, particularly, there is a group of people that I truly love. And I know them so well. And I spend all those years working with them. That's my fellow scientists. When I was at the stage of Dr. Tang Wang, when I was a superstar in the modern life science field, and when I was dedicating my every moment of life in the scientific research and try to find a cure of the human diseases, that is the family that I was associated with. These incredibly powerful thinker and very, very dedicated researchers. I see that right now, if they want to make a choice to do the right thing, one thing they need to let go actually are these two words. That's why today, in front of this moral lesson, I want to, bring this as an introduction to take the opportunity to tell my beloved, fellow scientists in the most frontier modern life science field, and have been doing incredible discoveries of the microcosmic world, molecular world, and the wonderful beauty and the perfection of the law of the microcosmic world. Nobody else gets to appreciate it every day. But this is the group of people that get to appreciate it every day when they entered their research field. And what this family of scientists have discovered can change the entire textbook of all the public schools and all college. If you really bring out the most frontier research results of the microcosmic order, law, moral, that actually is a foundation of our very life, our very health every day. And this is a group of scientists that I know that they know what I know. So that's why I've been doing the reels in the park in the afternoon and try to speak up on the subject of evolution theory. Why evolution theory needs to be wiped out completely from public school textbooks. I started to yesterday receive an interview from Mr. Shim to talk about what is the key reason that has caused so many people die in the COVID-19. And I said that it's not the virus that kills. Actually, it is our own garbage. We gathered some very, very deadly poisons inside of the human body. It is those people who didn't clean up those garbage and didn't clean up those poisons that, as a matter of fact, committed suicidal immunoresponse. That was the cause of death. I didn't blame on anybody who has done wrong. I point out the truth that if we want to make it, we must thoroughly clean up the garbage, the poisons, the deadly poisons. Currently is now truly, that is a killer. Communism, socialism, evolution theory, atheism, and modern notions that mislead mankind to commit horrible wrongs. That is a suicidal response of the immune system. And this nation of America, when the two parties fight with each other and don't focus upon what is the true threat, that was also endangering America. But I'm so glad to know now, I think a lot of people are waking up and the two parties are starting to be able to have a common ground and understand that for America to survive, we cannot follow this word. We have to let go of this selfishness and start to really understand that humanity is one. We are all connected. Anybody's disaster, if you see, it has something to do with you. You must let go of your selfishness. Let go of your wanting to protect yourself only, and don't want to find the truth, which is the foundation of the survival of the entire mankind. So very, very important for those who are right now sitting on the seat of power, money, comfort. And I want to say that always remember, you have the responsibility for those who are right now on the street, homeless, have nothing, or right now suffering from cancer and about to die. And your heart needs to be big. You have to let go of your self-centered, delusion, because maybe your one kind heart to help others is the exit for the survival of your very life. That's my introduction.